Welcome aboard, welcome back everybody. My name is Ron, this is Bad Boats, and this is your boating news. But before we get started, hit the like and subscribe and the notification button to get all the updates of the videos that we put up. Now the first video we have today comes from Gray River, Washington, where a Coast Guard Air Station Astoria helicopter rescued 5 people from flooding. Let's go ahead and take a look at the video. Video we have comes from the Pacific, where a Coast Guard cutter interdicted the Narcos sub, and they did a fantastic job, and they were able to stop 5,500 pounds of cocaine from entering the U.S. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Now guys, the next video we have is where a bandit met his dire end in Marion County, Florida, at a boatyard. Let's go ahead and take a look at it.
Or contact us with your password.
Here, 5195, man. I got a subject on the property running
You are trespassing on private
westbound.
property. Your actions are being recorded on video. Leave the site immediately or contact us with your password.
Show me your hands! No! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! 1031 on foot. Get on the ground! Subject should be coming out on the 27. I've got a pry tool and broken glass of the truck, so we can start from the truck.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is clear. I don't got anything. Mike, you got anything back there? Right here. Where's he at? Right here.
Regular 639 units in Market State. Regular 6139 in Market State.
10-4, Marion.
10-4.
Come out now, let me see your hands! Come out now, let me see your hands! Get down! Get down from there! Get down now! Let go of the dog! Let go of the dog! Let go of the dog! Come out now! Let go of the dog! Come down! Come down! Come down! Come down! All the way out! All the way out! All the way out! Put your hands behind your back, dude! Well, good job, buddy. Good job, buddy. Put your hands up. Let go of the dog! Let go of the dog! Come down now! Let go of the dog! Come down! Come down! Get down now! Come down! All the way out! Get on up! All the way out! All the way out! Put your hands behind your back! Put your hands behind your back! Put your hands behind your back, dude! Get your hands up! Roll over. You check them. Here, roll on your side, my man. Roll on your side. Yes, you can.
Please, I'm sorry, please.
Here, sit up. Sit up. If you sit up, it's gonna feel a lot better. I'm gonna help you. 3. Just be careful right here. It feels like a crack pipe in this area. It is a crack pipe? Okay. Thank you for your honesty. Do you have any needles on you? No, just a crack pipe? Hey, what's up?
Guys, make sure you like and subscribe, hit the notification button, and check out all the other videos that we put up. Also, check out our partner channel, Boat Mania. Thank you very much and have a great day.